Good morning, you guys. It is I need a phone holder. It is Roz here. What's today? Wednesday. Just checking in with you all. I have been just hella swamped. Remember that word back in the day, hella? Just kind of launching Wellness University, and the garden is just doing the most. Like, there's so much going on at the garden, but all in a good way. It's always nice when you plant those seeds and, believe in those prayers, and that just like kind of overnight, God just brings them all to you. So I'm excited about that. All that's coming up. So the topic was how to lose 1 pound, or did I say 2 pounds? 2 pounds and 1 inch off your stomach overnight. And I know that has to be attractive. So you gotta know, I ain't ever about no bull with some potions and drinks and I don't know, putting plastic around your way. I'm never ever about that. So you know what I'm gonna tell you is absolutely legit. And I'm always going to tell you the natural way to do everything, because I ain't into all that other stuff that's not natural. We're going to do it God's way, or we're going to leave it alone. So for those of you who are new to our group, like new within the last month or two, I know you see a lot of recipes coming through, and really some great stuff. You're seeing some kind of natural remedies that you could do. For instance, the lemon, the grating of the lemon, frozen lemon, and, doing, maybe apple cider vinegar and just different things like that. And we're definitely in Well Women of Color all about healing our body in a natural way. But what I really want you to focus on, especially if you're not a part of Wellness University, is to focus on those health hacks. We have been doing those since I started the group in August. And it's just, those are things that you will constantly do for the rest of your life. So health hack number 2 is actually the answer to the title that I posted. I went and had a colonics yesterday because I'm encouraging all of the women who are in Wellness University. We're about to start this amazing month-long, actually 2-month-long kind of cleanse and detox. So I want everybody to get a colonics or do a saltwater flush if their budget doesn't allow them to do a colonics. But if your budget allows you to do a colonics, man, let me tell you, I got one yesterday, y'all, and it was rough. I was literally kind of sick all night last night. Like, my husband kept going, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" Like, I just kind of felt nauseous, or I don't even know how I felt, but I just know I didn't really want to do anything. So I was in bed by like 7:30, 8 o'clock. I just felt like, I don't know if I just needed to rest. I don't know if I felt queasy or nauseous. Yeah, I did kind of have a stomach ache, but anyway, that's how much toxins hurt the body. If they hurt coming out, can you imagine what's going on in the body when they're just sitting in there chilling for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, a decade? They say John Wayne died with 30 pounds of undigested fecal matter in his colon. So although I don't eat meat, I don't eat dairy, I eat very little things with white sugar. Here and there, I might have a cookie, maybe once or twice a month, I eat something with white sugar. But I haven't had a colonics. Like, I encourage you to get at least 1 session or 2 sessions a year. And I didn't have a session, I don't think, in 2017 at all. So you should naturally eliminate 1 to 2 times a day. And I do. Most of the time I eliminate twice a day. But I'm just telling you, the stuff that came out, I was blown the heck away. But anywho, if you're in Las Vegas, I recommend Healing Waters. And I've been to a a couple other places, but hands down, I've been going to Healing Waters for, I don't know, maybe about 5 or 6 years now. And that's the only place I recommend. I need to probably get some stock in Healing Waters. It is a privately owned, a family owned business, but really nice and clean. You don't feel anything there. You feel really good, like it's just a chill, relax. So if you're afraid of the thought of getting a colonics because it's icky and you don't want to see it and blah, 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 like do away with all that crap because it's about getting the body healthy and getting that stuff out. Again, if it hurts coming out, and if it hurts after it comes out, you still have kind of remnants. That's why you have to do 3 in a 12-day time frame because you just can't get it all at once and it loosens, the first time really loosens it up and you may not eliminate a lot. And then, by the second and third times, you're like gushing stuff out. But I weighed myself this morning and I weighed myself before the colonics. So I lost 1.5 pounds from yesterday to this morning and 1 inch. Well, probably like a 1/2 inch for me. I don't have much to lose off my waistline, but I have had clients in the past lose up to 3 inches off of their waistline after doing their set of 3 colonics. That's how much junk is in your colon, which of course is in your stomach, so it protrudes it out. So these are natural ways to finally get the body cleaned out, cleared out, healthy, so that it will just begin to work on its own without a whole lot of aids and without you, just trying to do the most with finding all these quick fix microwave remedies. Like this is just a really, really natural way to get the body cleaned out. So you should be doing Health Hack 1, the lemon water with the herbs, at least, people all the time are like, I don't have time. Look, you got to have 2 minutes in the morning. And if you don't have 2 minutes in the morning, you at least want to do it 4 times a week. It's going to help with your kidneys. It's helping with your liver. The liver helps keep the whole body healthy. If your liver ain't healthy, you ain't going to be healthy. If your liver ain't healthy, you're going to have diseases up the yin yang. So the lemon water helps to counter that. So I think it's probably worth taking out the 2 minutes in the morning to do it, but at least 4 days a week if you can't do 7. And health hack number 2. Start the year off just doing what you need to do. I feel like most people are already like in their old ways that they were in 2017. And it's just going to be February. So it took less than 30 days to just kind of get back into your old routine, being frustrated, not cooking, not just, not moving every day, not walking, not like... So don't do that. Reboot, reset. Can you believe 30 days is gone already? Like that's how fast this year is going to pass by. So I ask you, when is going to be the right time for you to take care of you? So hopefully it's going to be today. It's going to be this week. It's going to be this month. It's going to be this year. We have to take care of us. So have an amazing day. You should be Health Hack 1. Now we're Health Hack 2. Get that done and we'll keep going forward. And of course, if you have any questions of me or anyone else in the group, feel free to post it and we'll get to you. So thank you very much. And I will see you in the lounge.